sector leaders tell me cloud migrations aren't experimental anymore. They're default architecture for IT and data storage. In fact, the Government Accountability Office finds the number of FedRAMP authorized services increased by 60% between 2019 and 2023. Does that shift require a new approach to maintain trust in government AI systems? Let's find out. Elizabeth Moon, Managing Director, Google Public Sector. It's always a pleasure sitting down with you. We're here, Google Next 26. One element of discussion that I've picked up here in the hallways is this idea that, cloud is starting to look less like a vendor service, more like a national utility. What do you think of that?
Oh my gosh. Well, first of all, thanks for being here. This has been so exciting this week. Hopefully you picked up the keynote. And if you did, to this point on cloud being kind of this national utility, we're really rebuilding the cloud from the ground up, purpose-built for the AI capabilities that our customers need in this new modern world. We are no longer doing pilots in AI. Everybody is ready to usher this technology in. It's not a fad, it's here to stay. And so one of the things that I think this concept of cloud technology might be considered sort of a utility, but the way that Google is building on top of this full stack, differentiated approach where AI is embedded in every single layer is really unique and very differentiated for this moment in time. And so I think we are in a new era. We talk about that. It's a new era of American innovation powered by Google here. And I think we are ushering those capabilities into this new era in a way that is much more powerful than what you would think of in a typical kind of utility type concept. For example, you probably heard in the keynote yesterday, we are building our infrastructure, really optimizing the latest and greatest storage and networking bandwidth because AI applications need faster storage, need access to larger amounts of data, need access to data quickly, more quickly. Our new custom TPU 8 chip that was announced yesterday is that version of the chip that's embedded inside our technology platform. That's a capability that just allows our AI services to work that much more incredibly powerful for customers. At the top of the stack, obviously, we've got our Gemini Enterprise, that front door to agentic AI. That's also part of our Google Cloud platform, our Google services, but much more than what you would see from a typical infrastructure type service. This Gemini Enterprise is truly that agentic application, that workhorse that's going to allow our customers to tap into more exciting experiences for their constituents, whether they're engaging with a tax form, whether they're looking at a benefits program. When constituents come to our customers, our government customers, they're looking for that same kind of experience that you can get out there in the consumer world. And that is what's so exciting about what Google is providing. Both Gemini Enterprise and the new agent platform that we announced that sits right underneath that, which allows us to manage and govern these AI agents at scale. Really groundbreaking technology that, again, is purpose-built for the AI moment, and allowing our government customers to take advantage of that capability. Our service is built right on top of our commercial cloud. So we bring the exact same technology to our government customers that's available to our commercial consumer-based customers. That gives our customers a huge advantage in delivering services more innovatively, faster, in a more compelling way to constituents. Exciting time.
You used the phrase this moment in time earlier, and I'll note we're sitting in sort of the public sector part of the trade show floor here. Do you have concerns that government, public sector, education institutions risk falling behind relative to artificial intelligence unless they embrace that moment right now?
It's a really good question. What I'm seeing from our customers is a huge appetite to stay up and move fast in this. We have customers like the Chief Digital AI Office for the Department of War, who is really adopting Gemini Enterprise at scale, delivering these AI capabilities to 3 million military and civilian professionals for all of their unclassified type work. So we're seeing huge adoption, which is very exciting in the public sector. What I would tell you, though, is it is that moment in time, and we are seeing things move so very quickly in the commercial side that we want to make sure that we are that right partner, that strategic partner for our government customers, so that we can help them stay ahead and stay in this moment in time, because we want to be able to bring the best possible experiences to our citizens, to our constituents, to our public service that will help them kind of keep that edge and even maybe slingshot ahead in some cases. That's the opportunity that I think we are in right now. And so to your point, it's really important. And every time I talk to one of our government customers, I try to stress this. How are we improving that citizen experience? How are we working to streamline the processes, to make it easier for employees, for public servants to be able to get their work done? All of that really matters. And it's just at this exciting time where the technology is right here and ready for that moment to happen.